I'm unboxing some um, earphones with the auxiliary port. Go ahead and get this main part off. There you go. Get started. Here, I'll just. Oh! Well, that angle. So, I got the earpods themselves. And all the fashion stuff. Look at all the things. I've got the two usual ones. I have to do scans of those sometime. They have the earpods themselves. I'm gonna use these for my school ones and then these for my actual main computer. And so those are the last time I use these. I'm here most of some of these. There you go. And then I have a second pair for my Game Boy, but anyway for the dongle to come. But we do have something tomorrow. So yeah. Oh, Corn did fine! There we go. I actually managed to rip that one. They want to come out. Get out of the packaging. Get my AirPods. There we go. I really hope this video had audio. Yeah. The end. Alright, so welcome back, guys. We're opening up a second box because the other ones had an issue where this one sounded louder than this one, so we're gonna see if these have the same problem. Also, the microphone doesn't work that. Look back at the previous one. He's good about to publish it, but yeah. So then get this right here. This one a lot better. I learned from Alan. We have that. Both of them here. I'm gonna do this first. I have more of them so fast. Okay. Alright. Not sure if these are or not. There it is. They spot these right for when that dongle comes. I even thought this left that one off. Let's see. I don't get what's up with that. This one won't go, but this one is really satisfying. Oh well. I have no clue what's going on there. You'll want to have nails when you're waxing on these little guys. Yeah. You could probably do fine with the experience with nails. Okay, well, I now have a bunch of iPod and iPod earpods stuff. This should be fun. Guys. The end.